Struggling with your JBL Charge 5 that won't turn off? You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to help you fix this issue. Let's solve this problem together and get your speaker back to working as it should. First, try pressing and holding the play button along with the volume up button on your JBL Charge 5. Hold these two buttons together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This can force the speaker to reset itself, potentially clearing any software glitches that are preventing it from turning off. Let's try a quick and straightforward fix. Simply press the power button on your JBL Charge 5 rapidly, 5 times in succession. After the 5th press, don't just let go. Hold it down for about 10 seconds. This method is great for jolting the system out of any frozen state, potentially getting your speaker to turn off just like it should. It's possible that your speaker might be locked. To unlock your JBL Charge 5 and regain full functionality, press and hold the connect, plus and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This should deactivate the lock mode. If you find that your speaker is still not responding after this, repeat the combination of pressing and holding both the connect plus and volume up buttons. After a few moments, your speaker should exit lock mode, allowing you full access and functionality again. Remember, activating the lock mode can sometimes cause confusion with power functions, so it's always good to check if your device is locked if you're experiencing issues. A simple yet effective method to try if your JBL Charge 5 won't turn off is to let the battery drain completely. While this might seem straightforward, it can often reset the device. Once the battery is fully depleted, recharge it and check if the speaker starts functioning normally. This process can help clear any temporary glitches affecting the power functions. To keep your JBL Charge 5 in top shape, avoid overcharging it, as this can harm the battery and affect functionality. Also, regularly check for and install any firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you solve the issue with your JBL Charge 5 not turning off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful troubleshooting tips. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.